the Tysons Community Open House. It's an annual event that we have every spring. It's an opportunity for the community to come out and find out what's happening in Tysons. So we have a number of county agencies, and we also have developers who are planning to do redevelopment in Tysons, showing their plans. There are a lot of people here tonight. They are people who live near Tysons, Fairfax County residents who are interested in what's happening in Tysons and how it's going to redevelop now that Metro's here. So we have neighbors. We also have people from other parts of Fairfax County. So the Park Authority has been working on this concept plan for the park system in Tysons. So we're here tonight because we want to share information with the public about the Tysons Park System concept plan and encourage people to take a look at it. It's posted on our webpage, and there's an opportunity to click on the page to provide comments. We want to hear from people what they think about the plan, and they have until June 16th to do